Had a big bowl of oats, a little bit of green tea. I've never been eating so much in the mornings, but haven't. This is the first time I'm doing my Ironman, so I really don't know. The people say the secret is to eat enough and survive for the end part. So let's see. It's pretty dark outside. The weather says the weather has it that today should be fine with no rains most probably. So fingers crossed. It's 5 o'clock and we will begin now. Of course it's dark, it's a little gloomy, cold. I think we should start in about a minute or so.
Cycle time.
Okay, chalo.
Either one flip, please. Back run.
It was incredible running with all the guys. I think all of them ran 21, I ran 10, but the energy these guys have after 180 kilometers of cycling is just incredible. With a lot of motivation, and I wish best of luck to Pranav for another 21 to go. I think it'll be fun, but a little difficult one. But it'll be one accomplishment which everybody aims to do, and I'm sure he will finish it up today. So all the best, Pranav. Have fun. Come on, Pranav!
It's great to support Pranav in his maiden do-it-yourself Ironman. I'm happy that he has inaugurated this version of the Ironman. There's Pranav. Pranav is just coming in, and he's just finishing his first leg. Awesome run, awesome bike. So I hope this version of Ironman takes off. It's I wouldn't say Ironman. It's this version of triathlon takes off, because it's an absolutely authentic way of doing triathlon all by yourself with friends and family put together. There's no better way of doing it. And for the swag, you can always do the actual Ironman. So I'm hoping to see many more people do this kind of events. Thank you.
Okay.
All set. Huh?
All set.
Feeling awesome.
Last leg.
I can't feel my knees now.
You want to use the gel now?
Now my knees are no more. I don't know.
Hi, this is Anuradha. I'm a amateur triathlete, I must say so. I was very inspired when Pranav said that he's going to do full Ironman, and today I kind of wanted to support him to complete his full Iron. It was fantastic to kind of be the crew support for him and hydration support for him, and I thoroughly enjoyed doing this.
Hi, this is Yashwant. I rode today morning with Pranav. It was really nice, felt nice. He's doing full Ironman. I wish very all the best to him. Thank you.
Hi, I am Kushal. I am a new triathlete, and today I got a great chance to ride with Pranav and the whole team supporting him. It was a really amazing experience for me. It was really inspiring to see that he could do the whole distance by himself without any external race, and the support and the overall team around it was really great, and I had a lot of fun.
So this is my first event where I've done cycling and running both together, and I really enjoyed it. It was very adventurous and thrilling. To Sonia, I want to just say that very well organized, and thanks to all the volunteers, even our photographers and everyone, and all the best to Pranav for his event in the future.
It was tiring, but it was fun. It was my first long distance duathlon that I did, 180 kilometers of cycling, and it was my first 21 kilometer run. So the 180 kilometer cycling was okay because I'm used to cycling, but the 21 kilometer run in the last 5 kilometers, it was really difficult. But somehow there was a motivation, greed of achievement that I had in me, and I could finish it on in a good time. So I'm very happy, and thank you to the organizers, thank you to Pranav, Sonia and the entire team for keeping us motivated, giving us hydration, supporting us throughout the entire ride. I just need one beer and some food now, and a good long sleep. Thank you so much.
Hi Shivron, thanks a lot. Amazing day. Been started the day at 4:30 in the morning. It's 8 o'clock past 8 now. Incredible day. It was possible with everyone's help. Sonia, incredible support, and everyone who came right from morning 4:30 till 8 in the evening.
That is great.
Something I will always cherish personally. I've been always skeptical of myself completing a full Iron distance. With this experience, I'm sure I can do it, and then it's a personal thing to finish one complete Ironman, one full Ironman by 2022. Thanks.
Birthday to you, Pranav Stark. Happy birthday to you. Ironman.
This is a very special moment for both of us. We have been planning this from quite some time.
Yeah.
In fact, there was a lot of compromises. It is not really easy to have an Ironman in the family and to have a very smooth life also. But it's not so bad. He's a really good husband and he trained really hard. In fact, thanks to COVID, he got some time to train, which was not happening before. And today was great. He struggled a bit. My heart was paining, but I was sure he would be able to do it. And the idea was for him to do the Ironman, something that is there on our wall. Tallinn, Estonia 2020, we have to do it. And finally, when it was not happening, we decided that we have to do this. And
It was actually her who really pushed me. I wanted to do it next year. I did not take it really seriously, but then she really pushed me, saying since I've trained, why not do it this time around? And then randomly we just said okay, let's do it. Then we put out a message on our WhatsApp communities, and the support that we got was amazing.
Yeah.
About 25-30 people coming in.
Yeah.
From the busy schedules, it's not really so easy to come down all the way to North Bangalore and spending time. So I mean, it was.
And the entire day, they came at 5 o'clock. You came at 5 o'clock, Shivraj. And right now it's what, 7:30, 8 o'clock. So thank you so much.
So thank you. You all actually
Yes.
made it happen.
Absolutely.
As you
And,
said.
and I think, Ironman does not really need to be so expensive as an event. We can still do it with with the right people.
It was a
It's
good
just-
DIY Ironman that we did.
Yes, exactly. And you will make it possible for us, Shivraj. Thanks to you a lot. We are sure that this is going to come up really well.
For sure,
And you have really hurt your back and you have taken all the angles possible. So thanks a lot. I know he's getting hurt, but we have so much things to share. It's just
Thanks,
such
yeah,
an
I mean,
emotional moment.
It's just
And I can now proudly say that I'm wife of an Ironman. My man is an Ironman finisher. And that's all.
thank you. Thank you
you.
again.
See you.